With Manus and Shopify, you can now build and design a premium, sleek, and conversion optimized Shopify store by simply chatting with AI. This is seriously one of the most incredible things I've come across after 7 years of working with Shopify stores. Not only can you build a fully functional Shopify store with Manus, but you can actually edit, optimize, and manage your entire store without needing to leave Manus AI. It's actually insane. You no longer need to pay tens of thousands of dollars to an agency or invest weeks of your time to build a Shopify store. So today I'm super excited to walk through the complete setup, design, build, and optimization of a new Shopify store by simply chatting with Manus AI. Okay, this is actually a game changer. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, now before we build a Shopify store with Manus, what exactly is it? Well, Manus was acquired by Meta not long ago and is now part of the Meta universe. It competes directly with the likes of OpenClaw, Grok, Claude, and ChatGPT. Now, the main difference that I see between Manus AI and other AI platforms is typically you chat with the AI and it will respond. However, with Manus, it just executes on tasks for you. It will open up apps and tabs, fill out forms, send emails, post on social media, and many other key activities that Manus can take over for you. Now, if you want to dive deeper into Manus AI and learn about use cases for both personal and business use, I'll link a quick tutorial I put together recently down below in the description. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly touch on the different chapters I'll cover in this tutorial. First, we'll use Manus to help us create a detailed online store brief. Then with one detailed prompt, build and design our Shopify store. Following this, we will continue customizing and adding features to our store by simply chatting with AI. Finally, we'll publish our online store and discuss key things for managing your new Shopify store. All right, with that covered, let's get into it. Now to arrive here, and if you're completely new to Manus, simply jump over to your browser and type in manus.im, or simply click on the first link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you here. To launch a new task, simply click on New Task. Now, Manus, like other AI platforms, uses an AI credit system. So every action that you execute will use a certain number of credits. Now, in order to build a Shopify store with Manus, you're going to spend more AI credits than what the free plan offers. So most likely you'll find you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. However, as I mentioned, this is going to save you thousands of dollars, as well as save on weeks of development work if you were to build a Shopify store yourself. Okay, so under New Task, what we're going to do is add this prompt. Okay, so here's the initial prompt that we want to use. I'll add this down below in the description. Write me a detailed prompt describing the linked website's brand colors, style, website design, typography, and vibe. Also include key points I should consider that will help Manus understand the Shopify store that I want to build. So what we're doing, rather than creating a detailed prompt ourselves, we're going to leverage AI to help us create a detailed prompt that covers everything we need to know to build a premium Shopify store from Manus. And down here we have some website examples I like the look of. Now, for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm going to build a Shopify store for an e-commerce business called King Beats. This brand sells waterproof headphones and earphones, as well as digital products in the form of downloadable beats. Okay, so I like the look of these three websites. You can see we have heavies.com. I like the look of the style and overall design of this website. Then we have Beats by Dre. Again, another awesome website that I want to get inspiration from. And remember, we're not copying these websites, we're just getting design inspiration. And then we have shocks.com.au. Okay, so I just want to choose one website for reference. You can also add screenshots if you like, or other design files if you have them. If you do, just change linked websites and add attachments in here. Okay, I'm going to delete this and this website down here. Cool, so I want to generate a prompt for building a Shopify store that is inspired by the design from this website. Let's hit enter. You can see the prompt is understood up here. Manus will be diving in and building a detailed prompt. This could take a few minutes, so be patient. Okay, so it only took a few minutes for Manus AI to generate a full scope, a full prompt. As you can see, Shopify store build prompt, Beats by Dre inspiration. Let's click here. Then feel free to take your time to read through this prompt. Navigate up to the top. Under these three dots, click on copy. Close out of this, jump down here, and paste in the prompt. Then navigate up to edit and we want to edit a few things. Now down here, this explains the prompt for us as a user, so we can actually remove this section. Then under System Prompt, I'm going to add a prompt with details related to my specific brand. Again, you can find this prompt down below in the description of this video. Okay, so we got a specific prompt that Manus AI has generated based on the layout, design, vibe, typography, and style inspired by Beats by Dre. Then more specifically, I've added, please take the Shopify Store brief and build our Shopify store called King Beats. Include these 5 website pages: home, about, headphones and earphones, beats, contact, and add these to the primary menu and footer menu. Also add these 4 product pages: Premium Beats for focus, Premium Beats for relaxing, King Beats waterproof earphones, and King Beats waterproof headphones. Add 2 product collections, the first headphones and earphones, and the second Premium Beats. Please add the following images to the website and product pages. So what you want to do is make a few key changes to this added prompt. Add your business name, add your website pages, your product pages, and collections. And that's it. Let's close out of this. Then navigate down here and add relevant images that you have. I'm going to add from my local files. Here are the images I want to add, and then hit open. So again, if you have website or product images, you can add these here. This is not essential, but it will save you time and AI credits when you are adding future prompts to edit your Shopify store. So we're trying to cover all bases right now in this single prompt. Okay, let's come down and hit send. Now Manus will take some time and ask you specific questions about your prompt. Would you like me to customize the Shopify build prompt with these exact brand assets and copy, build the storefront, or review and organize the assets first? I'm going to navigate down here and add, please build the Shopify store based on the prompt and assets I have given you. Okay, so this is going to take some time, so be patient with this build. During this build process, Manus may ask you additional information. This could be to execute on a specific action, like this, or to clarify something you've added. Come down, click on Build Now, and let's minimize this. So this is our workspace. We can prompt on the left and preview our build on the right. You can watch all the code, folders, and files being developed here. Navigate down, and you can see Manus is setting up our Shopify store. Again, this will take some time, so keep an eye on the action thread over here. Now, what you can also do is jump down here and see the tasks that are currently in progress. For example, at the moment, build the edit tutorial homepage and global navigation experience. Again, everything is being done for you. Okay, so just like that, our store front end has been developed. This took Manus about 20 minutes. I'm loving this website. It's looking very sleek, professional, and inspired by Beats by Dre. Okay, so here we have the result. Built the King Beats storefront with supplied imagery, 4 live Shopify products, and color variants. Then we have other important sections, elements, and pages to an e-commerce store. Now down here, we can claim the Shopify store by simply navigating down here and clicking on Claim. Navigate over to Claim Store, and that's going to take you to your Shopify backend. Now there are 2 ways you can edit your Shopify store. You can do it from the backend inside Shopify, or you can customize everything there is to do with your Shopify store in the backend and front end using Manus AI. Now, it's important to note that when you're ready to sell using Shopify, you will need to select a plan, which will allow you to get started with Shopify for 3 months for only $1 per month. Now, if you're completely new to Shopify and you want to learn how to build, manage, and customize your Shopify store from inside the Shopify platform, I will add a dedicated tutorial up above and down below in the description. Now, a few things you want to do before you go live. For example, if we jump over to products, you can see the 4 products that you added using Manus. If I click on one of these products, we can see some content has already been generated. We can update the product description here, product title, and add other things like category, as well as how many stock we have available on hand. Now, if we jump back over to home, you also want to set up Shopify payments. This allows you to actually capture payments when someone purchases from your store. You also want to review your shipping rates. And then up here, you can see that Manus is connected. Okay, let's jump back inside of Manus and continue where we left off. Again, on the right-hand side, we can preview our Shopify store. For example, if we click on a product, we can navigate through the product page. Let's navigate down, and you'll notice that the Shopify page has been built exactly to our brief, which was built based on the reference website we added. I'm going to navigate down here and close this and click on Hide Always. That way we can see the full page. Now, some cool things about this product page is we have a sticky add to cart bar. Typically, if we wanted to build this, we would need to install a paid app, but Manus has gone ahead and generated this for us. Again, let's jump over to this product and navigate through this product page. I really like what Manus has done. It's pulled in my images, my branding, and the prompt. Now, for example, if I navigate down to add to cart, That's going to add the product to our cart, and then the user can check out. Okay, let's close out of this and navigate back up to the top. And if we want to make a change, we can simply add the change in here. For example, change the primary menu to a dark color and the text to white. So I want to change this primary menu to black and the text to white. Again, all we need to do is chat to AI to make any changes. And again, let Manus go to work. Understood, I'll change the primary header menu to a dark background with white navigation text and ensure the logo, cart, mobile controls, and contrast remain clear. And then down here, you can see that update. And as you can see, that change has been made. That looks a lot more clean. Also, if we navigate down here, you can make edits in parallel. As you can see, when you add a prompt or a request, it can take time for Manus to respond. However, you can start a new task simultaneously while a current task is being worked on. Now, you'll notice up here, a few pages weren't added. So I'm going to add a few more pages. Please add a contact and our collections pages. Again, we can ask Manus to build our pages for us. You can see that task has been understood, and then we just need to give Manus a moment to construct those pages. And just like that, the Our Collections and Contact page have been added. Now, when a task has been completed, you'll see helpful next step prompts. For example, please add filtering and sorting options to the Our Collections page so users can easily find specific products. Or add an interactive FAQ section below the contact form to help users find quick answers before reaching out. Again, whatever you can think of, you can build with this connection between Manus and Shopify. Now let's go ahead and make this size smaller and preview the Our Collections page. We can navigate through this page. You can see the page wasn't just added, it was completely customized based on our brief. Again, we have a contact page, and again, all these elements, images, and assets have already been added. And we have a form here. Pretty cool, huh? Now we can also add things like a discount. For example, add a combo discount 30% off code for all products called double 30KB. That automatically populates if the site visitor adds 2 or more products to their cart. Let's add this. And again, that's going to build everything in the Shopify backend. As you can see, I requested to build a discount code. Manus will talk to Shopify and add that to discounts inside of Shopify. We'll give Manus a moment to execute on this task, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so after a few minutes, that discount code has been created and activated this code in Shopify 30% off all products with a 2-item minimum. Now Manus took this a step further and added a progress element inside the cart. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to select shop, navigate down, under headphones, click on this product, then navigate down and add to cart. As you can see, added to cart, and now we have this progress bar. Add 1 more item for 30% off. Mix any King Beats products, 2 or more total units qualify. This is incredible. Either you'd have to add an app, which would be a paid app inside of Shopify, or you'd have to code this yourself. Pretty impressive, right? Let's close out of this, navigate back over to shop, and let's add a different product. You can see we currently have 1 product in cart. Let's add this product. And you can see we've unlocked this 30% combo discount. Here we can see the subtotal, the 30% off discount code, and the estimated after discount. Okay, let's close out of this. As you can see, whatever you want to build inside of Shopify for your e-commerce store, you can simply do that by chatting with AI. Now, what we can also do is navigate up to edit, and this allows us to actually edit elements on page. For example, this is an H2 title. I can click here and simply make changes to the content. This will save you time and credits compared to prompting with AI. So for smaller changes like changing images or text, you can simply use this edit feature. I'm going to change this to your music, your way. We can change the style down here, as well as the layout. Once you're happy with your change, click here. Now, before we click apply, we can make a few more changes. We could change this element here, these text elements, these sections. I'm going to navigate down, click here, and then we can describe a change. For example, if we want to change this image, we can chat to AI here. Okay, let's close out of this, navigate down, and then we have the footer. Let's click here, and then we can make a change. Okay, I'm going to close this, simply navigate back up here and click on apply. This way you can go through each of your different pages and make slight changes from the front end. Once you have made your changes, then you can hit apply, and then the AI will go through those changes and deliver on your request. This is a great way to make changes from the front end rather than doing it from the Shopify backend and customizing the theme or trying to explain to AI the text or sections or elements that you want to change. And as you can see, that change has been made. Now, if you want to take a look at the code, you can see the backend code. This is if you're interested in what's been done in the backend, or if you're a coder, or maybe you need to share this with a developer. Let's navigate back over to preview. Again, we can preview our site on mobile to make sure that it's responsive. I'm happy with this. Now, when you're ready to publish your website, simply navigate up to Publish and Publish Now. And congratulations, your store is now online. What you can do is connect a professional domain. That way you have a custom domain rather than this branded Manus domain. However, just like that, your site is up and running. Now, it's important to note that you still need to select a plan inside of Shopify. That way, customers will be able to purchase your products. For example, if we click on Visit, let's navigate through the site, click on this product here, Add to Cart, and then check out with 30% off. That will take the user to the Shopify checkout. Now make sure that you change this name. You can do that from Manus or your Shopify settings. And down here you can see no payment methods have been added, as well as shipping methods. You want to do this inside the Shopify backend. Alternatively, you can chat with Manus to set up payments and shipping for you. However, I recommend jumping into the Shopify backend and getting familiar with your database. Think about Shopify as your backend for all e-commerce activities. Okay, let's jump back over to Manus. And congratulations, just like that, you've created a conversion-focused and professional Shopify store. This is a $10,000 plus storefront that would, in the past, take weeks to build. You've just done this in around 15 minutes. Now, again, if you want to learn more about Manus AI as well as Shopify, I will add those 2 dedicated tutorials up above and down below in the description for you to check out. That way you can take the time and get a better understanding on how to use Shopify as a backend, as well as learning all the tools and features that you can access inside of Manus. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this complete Manus AI and Shopify build tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about this entire process, make sure to pop those down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.